Here's some information regarding study guides for the electrical administrator exam, specifically focusing on the third section, which seems to be the most challenging. Let's look at some resources and tips to help you prepare. There are free online resources available, including the National Electrical Contractors Association's 16th edition Field Guide for Electrical Administrators. You can find this at NECA.org/codes and standards/field guides/NECA 16th edition Field Guide for Electrical Administrators. Also, Electrical Construction and Maintenance (ECM) has an Electrical Administrator Study Guide available at ecmob.com/Electrical Administrator Study Guide. If you're looking for paid resources, there's an Electrician's Exam Study Guide focused on the Electrical Administrator exam available through various booksellers. There's also an Electrical Administrator Exam Study Guide offered by Construction Exam Tutorials. You can visit Construction Exam Tutorials.com/Electrical Administrator Exam. Finally, there is an Electrical Administrator Certification Study Guide on the website theconstructor.org/study-guide/Electrical Administrator Certification. When studying, focus on the National Electrical Code, the NEC. The NEC is the primary reference for electrical calculations. Make sure you have a solid understanding of Ohm's law and circuit theory. These concepts are essential for understanding how electrical circuits function. Practice voltage drop and ampacity calculations. These types of calculations are commonly tested on the exam. Understand transformer theory, as transformers are a key component in many electrical systems. Study load calculations, because accurately calculating electrical loads is crucial for sizing electrical components properly. To improve your understanding further, consider joining electrical forums and online discussion groups to ask questions and learn from the experiences of others. Attend industry seminars and workshops on electrical administration to stay updated on the latest codes and best practices. Networking with experienced electrical administrators can provide valuable insights and advice. Remember that consistent study and practice are essential for success on the exam. The key areas to focus on are the National Electrical Code, circuit theory including Ohm's law, voltage drop calculations, ampacity calculations, transformer theory, and load calculations. You mentioned your calculations were within 10 amps of the answer choices. This indicates a need to refine your calculation accuracy. Focus on understanding the formulas and applying them precisely using the correct National Electrical Code tables and factors.